Hey, good morning, YouTube. It's John with Space City EDC. Coming to you with a Multitool video this morning. This one is on a kind of a specialty multi-tool, budget multi-tool. It's made by Performance Tool, and the model number is W86506. It's a 13-in-1 electrical multi-tool. It's got wire strippers, long nose pliers, and wire cutters, among other things. And these all sell for about $15, $16 on like Amazon and different places like that. I think I picked mine up at a auto parts store at one time, but not sure of the exactly what material this cover is made out of, but it's made in China, and it was first available in August of 2018, and it calls it a acro inoxidable, whatever that means, cover, and it's got the plastic here. There is no pocket clip, there is no sheath that comes with it. We're going to open it up and take a look at it. All the tools are accessible from the inside, so you can't access anything from the outside. But like I said, this is a kind of a specialty tool. It has spring-loaded wire strippers, and you've got a little pair, I guess you could call these maybe needle nose on the end. It's got the different gauges here for the wire stripping, and you've got some wire cutters here. And I guess you could use this for crimping if you wanted to, here on the end. We'll look at the inside tools real quick, and then we'll get down to test the wire strippers. But it's got a file, and it has a flat tip here, another smaller flat tip here. Like I said, none of these tools lock in place. These are all, so you have to be careful. It's got a plain edge blade on it. Not sure what the material is made out of, but looks like the blade is about right at 2 inches. About a 2-inch blade on it, so it was reasonably sharp. I guess we could do a cut. Ow! Oh, it works. It cut me. So blade works. But, don't play with sharp things. It's sharper than what it appears to be. So. Not real sharp though. Huh. Let's try this with the other one. No. Kind of dull actually, but it was sharp enough to cut me, so still be careful. It also has a serrated blade here. We won't test that one. We don't need more bloodshed on the show here, but we got, let's see. This is like it's almost like a blade here, like an awl, I guess you'd call it. And has a combination can opener and bottle cap lifter right there. Okay, I'm back. I'm no longer a wounded warrior. I've got the proper medical attention. But yeah, it has this awl and this combination can opener and a bottle cap lifter and a 3D Phillips here. So it's got those, and what else does it have? I think that's it. Yep, that's all the tools. And then it's got the wire, which I said is spring loaded, and it's also reasonably sharp. It will cut wire fairly easily. I'm not an electrician by trade, but we do deal with electrical wire from time to time for different things, and this would come in handy. Good clean strip on that. But yeah, that's it. This is the Performance Tool 1301 Electrician's Multitool. Very, very reasonable, around $15 or $16. Prices vary. It is spring loaded, and you know, it doesn't say anything about the warranty, what the warranty is, or if there's a warranty on it. I don't see anything for that, but at that price point, if you broke it, you know, a little bit of me still there. So watch the knife, it's sharp, can be deceiving, but the blade steel is, I don't know what it is made out of, but yeah, there you go. Performance Tool 1301 Electrician's Multi-Tool. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I'll come out with these videos about once a week or so, time permitting, and hope to see you on the next one. You guys have a great day.